Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm gonna start cooking for my fried chicken. This is the chicken that I marinated last night. The other chicken I already dipped it in the egg. Here. The other chicken I already dipped in the egg. See, this is the chicken with the egg already. I'm gonna mix the all-purpose flour in the corn flour with the breading. Start cooking because maybe our visitor is coming now. Hello guys, I'll warm the, what do you call that, the oil in the pan before I fry the chicken. I need the corn flour in the all-purpose flour. How was your day today? It's in the Philippines, it's already night time, but here in UAE it's only 4:30 or 4:40. Not midnight, it's cooking time for dinner. Only now I cook afternoon because we have visitors today. But if we don't have visitors, I cook only once. Every time I cook, it's included with the dinner already. Now, we have visitors, I need to cook more for the visitors. Okay. This is my flour for the breading. And this is the chicken with the egg. After I marinate the chicken, I need to dip it in the egg and dip it in the flour and then fry. And I'll cook slow so that the meat inside will be cooked also. Slow cooking. Because if your fire is very strong, it will burning the breading, but the meat inside is not